Welcome to Learn English channel. My name is Sharif. Today is our second lesson about phrasal verbs. Let's begin. Add up. Meaning, to make a mathematical total. Examples. 1. His story just doesn't add up. Meaning, his explanation is not believable or consistent. 2. All those small expenses add up. Meaning, small costs accumulate over time and become significant. 3. I'm trying to add up all the votes. Meaning, I'm calculating the total number of votes. 4. It all adds up now. Meaning, everything makes sense or is understandable now. Add up to. Meaning, come to a certain amount. Examples. 1. All these small expenses add up to a significant amount. Meaning, when combined, these small costs result in a large sum. 2. His actions add up to a betrayal of trust. Meaning, taken together, his actions demonstrate a breach of trust. 3. Her efforts add up to a remarkable achievement. Meaning, the combined result of her efforts is a truly impressive accomplishment. 4. It all adds up to nothing. Meaning, the final result is insignificant or meaningless. Aim at. Meaning, to target. Examples. 1. The archer aimed at the bullseye. Meaning, the archer directed the arrow towards the center of the target. 2. The campaign aims at raising awareness about environmental issues. Meaning, the goal of the campaign is to increase public understanding of environmental problems. 3. The criticism was aimed at the government's handling of the crisis. Meaning, the criticism was specifically directed towards the way the government responded to the crisis. 4. The new product is aimed at young adults. Meaning, the new product is designed to appeal to young adults as the target audience. Allow for. Meaning, include something in a plan. Examples. 1. We need to allow for unexpected delays. Meaning, we must consider and plan for the possibility of unforeseen delays. 2. The design allows for easy maintenance. Meaning, the design is made in a way that makes it simple to maintain. 3. The budget allows for travel expenses. Meaning, the budget includes funds to cover travel costs. 4. We need to allow for the possibility of bad weather. Meaning, we should consider and plan for the possibility of bad weather conditions. That's all we have for this lesson. If you have any questions or inquiries, don't hesitate to ask. Please drop that down in the comments. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. Goodbye.